they stalling. Trap jumping, hits, yeah, they calling. What you need, baby? She said she need all it. When you wet, she pulling up, right on the moon. Hits keep on calling. Hits keep on calling.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Antonia, and today we are going to talk about this Amazon wig. Yes, this wig is from Beauty Forever, and it is so pretty. It's a 20-inch wig. I'm not sure. I'm gonna leave all the information down below in the description box for y'all, so y'all can get all the specs about this wig. Ooh, look at those curls. So it comes in a package like this. It came with a wig cap and 2 headbands, just random colors, 2 random headbands. So yeah, let's get into this headband wig. So the wig has 3 combs in the front, and it has a comb in the back, and it comes with the headband part that you snap together. So it's supposed to snap in the back. So I just did my hair. I just put it in a little bun. I just put my hair in a little bun or whatever. So that's all you need. It also came with a wig cap too, but I'm not gonna put a wig cap on because I feel like it makes it slip. So I'm just gonna put this on so y'all can see how it is. So let me attach the comb here on the sides. The comb in the back. See, is there another comb? It's so easy and convenient, y'all. I had this wig for 2 days. I was gonna wait for like a week or so before I did a review on it, but I just loved it so much I can't take it off. So now I'm about to attach the straps back, and it's like a Velcro strap. So hold on. Hold up, baby. Got it stuck on my hair. That hurt. But yeah. And you can push it back if you want. You can down. You actually can wear it with no headband and just wear it like this. But I'm gonna fold this back. You see that? Yeah. I'm gonna fold this back so my hair is showing. Excuse me. And it comes with these headbands. So neither one of these match my outfit today, but I'm gonna just, for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna put it on so you can see it with the headband. So yeah, like this. You could put it up if you want. No. Half up, half down. Yeah. Or you can weigh it down. Let's see. Get a ponytail. It don't feel that secure even with the you can do a ponytail. That's cute. I don't know if y'all can see that. That's cute. So yeah, if y'all like this wig, let me know. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm feeling this wig though. You can do so many different styles. Just pop that on if you're ready to go to work, school, whatever it is, sis. Just put it on. Do your makeup and go. Let me try the other one on first. Let's see. I don't like either of these, but I mean, maybe with a different outfit, I might like it, but as of what I'm trying to do right now, baby. It's okay. It literally takes 2 minutes to put on. So this video is not going to be extra long. And don't forget, I'm going to put everything in the description box for you guys. Price, where you can get it, everything. Super cute. What? I like this a lot. I want to get another one too. I want to try a straight one. So if y'all want to see that straight one, y'all let me know. If y'all want to see some hair tutorials too, y'all give me some ideas on what y'all want to see. Some natural hair videos. Oh, I got a scrunchie right here. Let's try out this half up, half down. I want to see something. You can secure it. If you feel like it's not secure enough, you can secure it with bobby pins. Like around the... That's cute. I think I'm gonna keep it like this. Look at that. Look at that. That looks good. That looks good, honey. See? Y'all can't tell me that don't look good. Yeah. Yep. So, y'all, that is it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Yeah. I don't know why I keep saying that. Y'all, I be on TikTok just watching them little videos. People are hilarious. Let me put this in. This my nose ring, little stem keep coming out. So I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye bye.